Good morning. It is 2 in the morning and I gotta go to the airport because today I'm going back to America. I have to be at the airport at 3. We went to bed at like 7 p.m. last night. It was crazy, but at least we slept. Like, that's nice. But I'm getting everything finalized and I've got everything packed already, as you can see right there. But I'm just getting my computer bag finalized with things that I needed to still use. I just woke up. Anyways, hi, we're gonna vlog today. I got past security in Palermo, so I'm sitting at my gate waiting on my flight. So it's currently 5:06 a.m. and I think the flight boards at 5:55. So I'm just gonna sit here for like an hour. Hi, okay, so I made it to Rome. Hopefully you can hear me. This is a perfect angle. Look at my hair. Just look how great it is. No, but hi, I made it to Rome. I got everything done. I've just literally been running around since I landed because I'm losing my voice. Do you hear this? This is crazy. So I had to go through security. I had to go through like a separate thing because I'm going back to America. So they had to check my COVID test, make sure that was good. And then I had to check in again because when we ordered the tickets at Atlanta and we're like Rome to Atlanta and then Atlanta to Nashville was all done together, but my Palermo to Rome was done separately, so I had to check in my bag again. That's done. I got my VAT stuff done, so I got my tax return submitted and that's all good. So I'm done, and now I'm finally sitting down to eat and I'm so excited about it. I went to this like little nice cafe restaurant area. I'm gonna get an Italian burger with fries and I genuinely can't wait because I'm so hungry. It is currently 9. So it's 9 in the morning. I've been up since 2 a.m. and yeah. But this is the big stretch though. After this flight, it's gonna be pretty easy, but I am gonna be on this flight for 11 hours. So love that for me, but I'll show you the food when I get it. Oh my God. Look at this. And my cappuccino. I'm so hungry. I made it to Atlanta. Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I did make it home. This is actually the next day because I forgot to end the vlog last night because I was so exhausted. You don't even understand. I was so tired. I was like having delusions on the ride home because my mom came to get me from the airport, right? And then we were gonna just come back to the apartment and call it a night, but then I was like, I really want to see my dad and I really want to see my dog because I haven't seen them in 3 months. And I was actually worried about Kiva, my dog, because I was like, she hasn't seen me in 3 months. Her and my dad have bonded so much, so I was genuinely afraid that she would just be like, why are you here? I was afraid that she wasn't gonna like me anymore and that she was just not gonna be into me. So, but she still loved me. It was great. She was like, ah! She jumped in my lap and I gave her pets. It was very cute. She's still at my parents' house. She's gonna be there for a couple more days while I adjust to my jet lag. It's actually not that bad. I went to bed. So here's how the story happened yesterday. So I still can't believe it. The 23rd yesterday, I was still in Italy. Like, it still blows my mind a little bit. But at 2:30 or at 2 a.m. yesterday, I woke up for the airport. And then at 12:30 p.m. Oh, I guess it's the next day. So I wasn't awake for an entire 24 hours. I was awake for 22 hours. So anyways, I went to bed at like 12 last night and then I woke up at 7. So, well, I woke up the first time at 3 but then forced myself to go back to sleep. So I woke up at 7. So it's not that bad. My sleep schedule is actually still decent. I feel a little bit weird just because right now in Italy I know that it's like 4 in the afternoon. Or no, it's not. It's like maybe 3 in the afternoon and in Italy, and it's only like 8:30 here. So I'm like, that feels a little weird to me. But other than that, I feel fine. I feel awake. I feel good. I don't feel like icky or anything. So all in all, I would say that's a success. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did enjoy my return home vlog, and I really hope that you just enjoyed the travel vlogs in general. I will be doing more vlogs. I honestly don't really know what I'm gonna do when it comes to this channel. I don't know if I'm gonna go back to doing makeup stuff. I love makeup. I really do, but I don't think people like it as much, and that's fine. I think that there is a massive makeup community on the internet already as it is. So like, I wasn't really doing anything to contribute to that. I was just doing reviews and stuff, and if I'm honest, I really do like the vlogs and I like showing this type of stuff. I like vlogging my life and everything, so I might just stick to doing these now. I don't know, it's kind of a weird transition from doing makeup reviews to vlogs. So we'll see. This channel is just gonna end up being a hodgepodge of different stuff, but let me know what you think because I'm genuinely curious. Did you like the makeup videos? Did you want me to continue doing the makeup videos, or do you prefer just like the laid back, not structured vlogs? Because I have my setup over here, you know, like this was my filming setup before, but you know, these are more like structured videos because they're more like sit down videos and stuff like that, whereas this is just, you know, I have the camera and I'm just kind of here. So just let me know whichever one you prefer. I genuinely really dig the vlogs. I love watching vlogs, and I think vlogs are really trendy right now as well. I just think people on YouTube nowadays want to see more of your real life and want to see more of like you as a real person, instead of how it was back in like 2016 to where, or 2017 to where it was like luxury all the time, having to go out and party and be very big on social media and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So I do like that kind of change that's happened because it makes me feel like, you know, like homey, and I like that. I like that a lot. So just let me know what you think, but I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Follow me on Instagram because I do post daily there, or at least I'm trying to. And then I subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!